CERN is the European Organization for Nuclear Research. The name CERN is derived from the acronym for the French Council, European pour le Nuclear Research, French stuff. Professional body found in 1952 the mandate of establishing a world-class fundamental physics research in Europe. So this CERN, this European Organization for National Research, wants to create the Large Hadron Collider. Large Hadron Collider is a particle accelerator under development by CERN, the world's largest organization devoted to particle physics. A particle accelerator, sometimes called an atom smasher by the lay people, is a device, I just shouldn't have said the propels subatomic particles hadrons at high speeds. This Large Hadron Collider is actually a gateway into hell. See, all that. Large Hadron is opening gateway to hell, Christian. Scientists at Large Hadron Collider observe a spectrum of antimatter for the first time. They open a gateway into all this stuff here about being a gateway into hell. And the CERN even has dangerous sounds besides dangerous sounds. So I'm gonna make a video about that proves that thing is a gateway to hell. These are dangerous sounds, by the way. I feel afraid of playing this. So, but I'll just try to play, like, not too much of it. Or maybe I should. I don't want anything bad happen to me. I'll put a video at some point. Should I play it? I'll play it. Not too much. Maybe I should just do it for 3 seconds, like what the user who made it said. 11 seconds. I gotta do it quickly. Neil Gaiman is Illuminati. Or maybe I should just Dante's Inferno. Neil Gaiman is Illuminati. See? Keys of hell. Large Hadron Collider is a gateway into hell. Daunting Virtue. Satan. Oh, this is too creepy. But I had to put on so people will know that don't fuck around with, like, this Large Hadron Collider. Otherwise you'll get Satan. It's too creepy. Now, fuck around, man, with this stuff. It's too creepy. Satan swans. Lucifer himself. Alright. Our world is fucked. Because fucked up world. So, and here Satan is coming out because he knows that you humans are bringing him out. It's all fucked up, man. So, don't do anything let Satan out. Inferno trailer. Hell is, like, creepy, you know? $1911. That's the video game. That game is Illuminati. Video games are Illuminati. There's even a card about it. Inferno trailer. It's kind of like God of War. That game's Illuminati too. Kratos. Oh, look, see, Lucifer, you know, Gaiman, he made like a Lucifer, you know, Gaiman the Cayman Lizard, he made like a show called Lucifer, make Lucifer look cool and shit, but it's like, not good. See how, Bandit, all hope, see, I went to the art gallery at Ontario, I took a picture of this there. Look at all these subliminal messages. Evil Freemasons or Satanists. They live. These reptilians, Alpha Draconians, and Archons, they feed on louche energy created by humans. Humans do evil like kill and rape. This produces louche which they feed on. Evil men who rule the world. I mean, he looks, see, this large Hadron Collider is a gateway into hell. See, key of hell. See, Enki is Satan. Man, this is fucking creepy. But I gotta show you, see, beards. Beards. I gotta know. My mom's calling me.